Today's video, what we're going to cover is tips on how to get ready to purchase your new home. Hi, Sherry Riano here with the Sherry Riano Lending Team. Hi, I'm here to have some conversations today with my good friend, KimRoberts. Kim?
Hey Sherry, so I am business partners with Sherry and I also work alongside Marti Hampton. I'm one of her southern agents. I do the majority of my listings south of Wake County, and I run through Goldsboro, Clayton, really Harnett, Johnston County, and Wayne County. So we are seeing lots of action these days because the growth down here is exploding. So buyers, sellers, our market's hot, maybe a little hotter than Wake actually right now.
You always should go to a lender first because we need to get you pre-qualified. And I think, Kim, you'll agree with this. If someone comes to you and they don't know what they can purchase, it's kind of hard for you to do your job, right?
It sure is. And I'm going to tell you what you see on Credit Karma is not what they need to get you pre-qualified.
Correct. Credit Karma is usually about 20 to sometimes 100 points off of what a mortgage credit score looks like. So it can really be confusing and deceiving at the same time. So the value lies in speaking with the lender and having that credit pulled and having your income and assets reviewed. That way, when you get to Kim, you're ready to go.
It is, because today, if we're out shopping in the market, I can't write an offer for you and submit it without a pre-qualification letters. Those days are gone. If you don't have a proof of funds or a pre-qualification letter, and even better, a pre-approval, there's no shopping. That's a really tricky question, but I always suggest to talk to your lender first. It's okay to go to open houses to kind of do your own searching, but when you are serious and you are ready to make a purchase, you have to have already spoken to a lender.
We do a lot of business and buyer business together. Typically what will happen is if their client, if Kim's clients are not already pre-approved, she will send them to me. My staff will get them initially pre-qualified, and then we'll go right for the pre-approval and hand it back to Kim, letting her know all the details of what we can qualify for. So the last thing you would want to happen is to have a contingent offer placed on a multiple offer situation, because it's almost impossible for Kim to probably negotiate it when there's 10 other offers on the table. Kim, would you agree?
Absolutely. We have such a strong seller's market right now that if you are contingent, we have to get creative. And that comes between Sherry, you, and myself on how we're going to go get a home, how we're going to win a home in certain price ranges, because it is almost impossible to take a contingent offer to certain price points. You have to get creative, and that's a lender's job.
I think I just got something from NAR the other day that said, hey, look, for every offer there's 10 people going for one house in our market. So in our market, it's like your offer's there, but there's 9 other on the table. So what do we do to make it stand out? Does it close quicker? Is there a bigger due diligence? Is there a shorter due diligence period? And again, that's where Kim comes in, and her expertise just, shines because she knows all those dynamics.
And there are so many different things that you can do to write a strong offer, which is so very important that you have a good buyer's agent. And I'm not even saying good, a buyer's agent that knows the market, knows how to talk to the agents, and you have the backing of a lender, because that does make a difference. You have to find a way to stand out. You have to find out what's important to the seller, and you have to sweeten your offer the best way you can. When I do come across new buyers that are already pre-qualified, if I don't know the lender, if they aren't local, if they are an internet lender, you guess I'm sending them right over there before I even take them out, because everything's still changing so quickly. If there's a fly-by-night lender out there that is giving you a quick pre-qualification, I do my due diligence as well. I verify with the lender. I ask the type of property that they can buy. There's differences between manufactured, modern, or modular, and site built. There
Yep.
are restrictions right now. So it's very, very important that no matter where you get your pre-qualification from, give it to your agent up front. Give it to me. Let me look for it, because like Sherry said, there could be bumps, there could be holes, and you as a consumer may not necessarily be able to see that where we can.
Right. And everything that we find on the internet is not gold.
It's not. And you can get all the way through up to the underwriting process after due diligence just for them to turn you down.
Or
And-
2 days before and turn you down.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. So, I mean, I do try to send a lot of people your way, even if it's for verification, because you have great products. If you've already been pre-qualified, talk to Sherry as well, because they may have a different program. They may have better rates. Your first choice in a lender is not always the best.
And that is a true statement. I was working with a client this very week, and they had actually worked with a couple of lenders, and none of them were giving him the one option that we all had. They all had the same option. It's just that I listened to the client and the needs of the client, and we're able to, pull this product right back out, explain it to them. They were happy, and they ultimately went with me. And it wasn't about interest rate. It wasn't driven off of interest rate. It was about the service that we gave. It was about the education we provide. And I think that is, I know it's cliche, but it's priceless. It is absolutely MasterCard.
It absolutely is. And the ability for the lenders to work with the agents, you have to have that, or the transaction's going to be more than bumpy.
I'm always happy to look at anybody's quote, seeing what they have in their hand, because sometimes it's just like again, they went on the internet, they put a little information in, and then out popped a loan estimate. But it really was special to them. It didn't dictate that maybe they didn't want mortgage insurance, or maybe they did, or didn't ask the questions because it's a computer to ask, and understand what they need. So I'm happy to always review and consult with them. And hey, I think I'm well known in the market. If someone has a better deal, it's a better rate, a better transaction than I can provide them, I am the first to say, you should take that transaction. It is about servicing the client.
It is, and you've told me that before as well. I call all the time. Can you loan on this? Do you have a program for this? Do you have something? And if you can't, you're honest. That's fantastic, because I don't have time, and my buyers in this market don't have time to waste hoping. We need a done deal, and that's what you guys guarantee every single time. Okay, everybody, if you find this video helpful, make sure you like it down below, you subscribe to Sherry's channel, and share it. We are always looking to help more people.
If you're interested in the information that we have provided today and want to know more, or want to just contact myself or Kim for a transaction of any kind, or just a consultation, you can contact us in the information down here below. Hope you guys have a great day. We look forward to seeing you on our next video.
Looking forward to it, and I can't wait to see y'all in the market. Let's go for a tour after you've talked to Sherry.